Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm pretty excited with this painting because I got this little piggy pigments in. I have got Lakeside, Lily Pad, and Sangria. I've mixed them all up with my Liquitex gloss medium. Hopefully that's going to work good. I've never used these before, so I have no idea. And there was no instructions in the box. I was really surprised that there was no recipe or anything. So I did go on YouTube and Google it, and they say any pouring medium will work. So that's what I had in stock, was the gloss medium Liquitex acrylic. So acrylic mediums, let's hope it works. I also got the Boom Sterling Wax White, it's called. So I'm just going to do a painting and we'll see how it turns out. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, all of my regulars, all the comments and the thumbs up, keep them coming. It really does make my day. And of course, it helps my channel grow as well every time you leave a comment and a thumbs up. Maybe that YouTube algorithm will finally pick me up and start putting my videos out on those home pages. All right, let's try this and see what happens. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas going with white acrylic already on there. Now this is Sax acrylic, white, mixed, 50% Sax, 50% Floetrol, no water, no silicone in there. And then I've got my Liquitex mediums in each of these pigments. I started out with just a tiny little bit, put the pigment in about maybe a tablespoon at the most, but it wasn't even that much. It was just a scoop on my stick. Put the pigment in and then just added more of the Liquitex medium to get enough paint done up for what I want to do. I'll have extras, of course, because I always make extra. So it was actually really easy to do. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, I've also got the Boom over here. I've put the pouring medium, the gloss medium in there as well. I don't know if you're supposed to mix it with the Boom. I know I've seen Kathleen Miller do it just straight out of the bottle, but I felt like I needed to put some medium in there and thin it down a little bit. So let's just do this. I'm going to make some puddles. I've also got some Sargent's liquid metal acrylics just to get a little bit of a darker green. And I've got a little bit of Arteza's green as well that I'm going to probably add in here just to give it a little bit more of a punch of darker greens. Okay, first color down is going to be the Lakeside. Yeah, Lakeside. Just going to do a couple of puddles. Now I don't know if these are going to turn out to be looking like blooms or it's just going to be an abstract wrecked spin kind of thing. I'm not sure. I'll be just as surprised as you guys. Then we got the lily pads. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do show and tell. I'm going to stop for 1 second and show you. It's okay that I drip. I'm going to be spinning it anyways. My last painting is dry, and it is my metallic flowers I did. I don't know if you'll be able to see how much shine is in there on the camera, but I love this painting. It just turned out awesome. Okay. Put that back there. So let's put now some Sangria down. Really pretty color. Now I'm trying to decide, do I want to use my hairdryer and blow on this? Or do I just want to use my airbrush? I'm not sure. maybe I'll try both. Okay, now let's put a little bit of the darker green down. I think I'm just going to do a couple of puddles here and there. Now this is my Sargent's Metallic, so it's going to be a little bit thicker than what I mixed up by this little Piggy Pigments. And then my Artezas. Just kind of drizzling it here or there. Okay. So I'm going to try and put this in the center. I'm not sure if it's going to do anything. This is that Boom Sterling Wax White with the gloss medium in there as well. I don't know if this causes cells or not. I have no idea. Let's find out. I have an emergency white put aside here with a little bit of silicone in it and mixed with Floetrol. We'll see if I need it or not. Okay, I'm just going to give a quick torch just to make sure I got those bubbles out. Alright, let's try the blow dryer first. Let's see what happens. I would say nothing. It doesn't look like there's any cells coming up. So I'm going to take some of my white before I continue on. I'm going to put some of this in the center. Now this is the Floetrol with a little bit of silicone in it. Let's see if that helps me get some cells. Okay, I'm just going to take my airbrush now. I do see cells coming up now, that's good. Okay. Now I do plan on wrecking this a little bit and giving it a spin. So let's grab my paintbrush handle and give it a little bit of a wreck here. Oops. This is the fun part where you just kind of draw lines through and see what happens. While you're watching me do this, this would be a really good time, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. At the end of this video, guaranteed, Greg will have something for you to click on and stick around and watch. I hope you do. Okay, have I wrecked this enough? Probably. Let's give it a spin. We'll see how it does. Now, I apologize if any of you get dizzy. Fast forward this part if you do, okay? Let me move my jars and give it a spin. Now, I still have not put a handle on this yet. I tried gluing down twice, 2 different glues, and they didn't work. So I got to figure out another way. Ooh, that's looking pretty. Okay, let's give it a little torch. See if anything's happening with cells, other than what we see the few here. Definitely got some bubbles I gotta pop, so. Okay. I think I need to do a little bit more wrecking. I need to do something in the center here. I do really like these colors. The paint looks like it went on really nice. Let's give it another little spin. Not too much in the way of wrecking. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is in these paints too, I put in a little bit of my pearlescent mixing medium, and I think it might have dulled the colors down a little bit. That could be a lesson learned right there. But I still love the painting. It turned out gorgeous. And when it dries, it's going to be beautiful because there's lots of bling in there. So there we go. There's my first attempt with this little piggy pigments. Quick little painting done right after work. I'm happy with that. Even the center looks cool. It actually kind of looks like a heart. Let's give it one more torch. Now, if any of you watching has any idea what you do with this sterling white, the wax white, leave me a comment. Let me know what to do. It definitely did not create any cells, so maybe it needs another kind of mix, or it's just a standard paint. I'm not really sure. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, hit subscribe. You won't be sorry. Hit the notification bell right beside and you'll be notified for all my future videos. Stay safe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.